What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com coming at you again with another hardware wallet unboxing video. And today we are looking at the second generation Ledger Nano X device. This device has been out for a few months now, but this is actually a really popular device. Ledger decided to make a wireless Bluetooth wallet that can be managed completely from your smartphone and can manage your crypto while you travel, things of that nature. We're going to do an unboxing, take a look at what's inside. From what I understand, it also has some cables as well, so if you're iffy about doing Bluetooth or don't feel safe about that connection, you can still manage it the same way through Ledger Live on your laptop or your desktop computer. But ultimately, we're going to take a look and see how different this is from the Ledger Nano S, and then in a follow-up video, I'm also going to compare it to one of the newer wallets that I just did a review on, the LOCKUP Titan, so stay tuned for that. So one of the key things here with Ledger Nano X is they upgraded the size, which is huge. So Ledger Nano S, if you're unsure, can only hold 3 or 4 different apps at the same time. So the RAM is completely just small and limited here. So what they did with this one is now you can have up to 100 different apps or 100 different coins stored on it at once. So it's a pretty massive upgrade. So we're going to take a quick look at this and see how the form factor changed and see how it plays out. So let's take a quick look here. So presentation of the box is a little bit different than what we've seen with the Ledger Nano S, but looks like a fairly nice presentation. Slides out right here. Still no security packaging on the or tape on the box itself, so that's interesting. Place that over here. But presentation's really nice. It looks like they have a very similar box, but decided to break it into 2. So taking a look at it by itself, it looks like it's a little larger than the Nano S, just barely, but it's got the same flip out design that you have on the same form factor, where it kind of pulls out and pulls in, covering the USB-C. So it actually looks like they upgraded from a micro USB to a USB-C cable as well. So that's pretty interesting. And it looks like they have a button right here. I'm not sure if that's for signing transactions. We'll find out in the next video, but basically it looks like it's got an upgraded full screen, and it's not indented. It's just one flat piece of the screen here. So I'm gonna see if it actually has a battery. Oh, okay. So it does pull up. The screen is still a little bit small, which is one of the things that I don't like about it, but it's definitely an upgrade to what they had before. So it says, welcome to Ledger Nano X, press the button to continue. And again, this can be fully set up and fully used on the Ledger Live app on iOS or Android, so you can download and set up the app. I believe the setup is going to be on the app itself, so I can't do any sort of demonstration or that in this particular video, but we'll dive into that into the next one. But form factor, they definitely upgraded the quality of the aluminum and the metal. So it feels a little bit sturdier, not as flimsy and as plasticky as the other device, but it is still 2 pieces of plastic clamped together here on the device. So really good quality as far as the upgrade is concerned compared to their first generation device. Let's see what else it comes with here. Okay, so it looks like they just have not even a foam pad, but more of just like a cardboard cutout here. Comes with a box where it has 1, 2, 3 different recovery seed sheets. So nice touch there. It kind of gives you instructions in English, French, Spanish, and what looks like German, I guess. It also comes with the Ledger promotional stickers as well. Nice touch. As far as I can tell here, this is just a use, care, and regulatory statement. Bunch of fine print about how it's made and whatnot, so no instructions or anything like that, but they do have a fairly extensive setup guide that they have in 4 or 5, looks like maybe 6 different languages. So it's pretty simple. It just basically tells you to press the button next to the USB port, and you can set it up on the Ledger Live app. So that's what you're going to want to do when you pull it out of the box first, is just download the Ledger Live app, and it should allow you to pair the Bluetooth. So pretty nice touch. As I mentioned before, it does come with a USB-C to USB-A cable, so if you do want to manage it from your computer, you can. They upgraded the quality of the nylon on the cable, so that looks actually pretty nice as well. But they also recently upgraded the Ledger Live app itself, so now it supports a lot of native ERC20 tokens, so that was a recent upgrade. It's also going to work with the Ledger Nano S as well, but pretty excited to see how this plays out and how long the battery life holds up and how the user experience is. But at very least, it looks like they have a nicer quality presentation, and it does look like the overall setup here is going to be done completely through the web app. So I think that's going to be it for this particular video. Stay tuned for the next one, and we'll go ahead and jump in and see how it actually works in the real world. So that's going to be it for today's video. Crypto Renegade out.